Do you want to earn rewards while having fun? Well, aren't you in for a treat? Picture this. An app that pays you to play. Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's exactly what Wild Cash offers. It's an app designed to reward your gaming time with real, tangible rewards. Not only that, but Wild Cash also has a fun and engaging quiz section. Get all the answers right and you're in for a reward. But here's the kicker. Wild Cash isn't just for solo players. You can invite your friends to join the fun. The more you invite, the more you earn. It's that simple. And all these features, from gaming to quizzes to the referral program, are all in one place, Wild Cash. So, are you ready to turn your fun time into rewards? Stay tuned to learn how. Now, let's dive into how you can start using Wild Cash to earn rewards. First things first, you need to have the Wild Cash app installed on your smartphone. You can easily find it on your phone's app store. Just type in Wild Cash in the search bar, tap the download button, and wait for a few seconds. Once it's done, open the app, and you're ready to step into the exciting world of Wild Cash. Creating an account is a breeze. You'll be asked for some basic information to ensure you get the rewards you deserve. Make sure to use a valid email address because you'll need to verify it later. After signing up, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface that is as pleasing to the eye as it is easy to navigate. Now, you're ready to play and earn. Wild Cash offers a variety of games and quizzes that you can participate in. Each game is a chance to earn more rewards. The quizzes are fun, and the best part is, if you get all the answers correct, you're in for a treat. So, brush up on your trivia skills and let the games begin. But the fun doesn't stop there. Wild Cash also offers a referral program. This means you can invite your friends to join the fun and earn more rewards. In the app, you'll find a Refer a Friend section. Just send your unique referral link to your friends. When they sign up and start playing, you get extra rewards. It's like a cherry on top of your gaming sundae. Remember, the more you play, the more you earn. You can keep track of your earnings in the My Rewards section of the app. Here you can see how much you've earned from games, quizzes, and referrals. And that's all. Easy as pie, isn't it? Now that you know how to use Wild Cash, you're all set to start earning. Before we wrap up, let's quickly go over the key points and benefits of using Wild Cash. This incredible app offers an exciting opportunity to earn rewards while indulging in your favorite pastime gaming. It's as simple as it sounds. Play games, participate in fun quizzes, earn points, and turn those points into rewards. But the fun doesn't stop there. Wild Cash has an inviting feature where you can earn even more. Get your friends on board through the referral program and watch your rewards multiply. Remember, the more you play, the more you earn. It's all about having fun and reaping the benefits simultaneously. The beauty of Wild Cash lies in its simplicity and accessibility. It's a straightforward, easy-to-use app that lets you earn good-paying rewards anytime, anywhere. With Wild Cash, not only do you have fun, but you also get rewarded for it. So why wait? Start your Wild Cash journey today. That's it for today's video on Wild Cash. We hope you found this information useful and exciting. If you did, please hit that like button. It really helps us out. And if you know anyone who loves gaming and would be interested in earning rewards, don't hesitate to share this video with them. We're sure they'll appreciate it. For more videos like this and to stay updated on all things Wild Cash, please subscribe to our channel. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Remember, your gaming experience can be rewarding with Wild Cash. Happy earning.